Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to another live stream. It should be in English or in Urdu because I've done just one of the live stream in Urdu language, so today I have to first decide whether in Urdu or in English. So what do you want me to come like? Thank you so much that you are joining on this live stream. Thank you so much. You six are watching here. Thank you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. This channel has been presenting mathematics content for last 5 years, even more than that. So your presence, your participation here is immensely valued. Thank you so much. When you hit the like button, this video spreads to and appears before more people. So please hit the like button. You can give me some reactions like heart and other reactions which are available here in YouTube. So you can give me those reactions also. Thank you so much that you are here. We welcome you on this another live stream. Subscribe, like, share and comment. This is IGCSE 0580 mathematics, and one of the paper we have selected to work with. We will present solutions of questions. Thank you for joining. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for being part of this live stream. We are solving Cambridge Assessment International past papers. So one of the past paper which we are working on is 0580 October-November 2024 question paper 21. So that is under discussion today. Let us begin working on that. One of the question which is here now is simultaneous equation solution. So we will solve simultaneous equations. We welcome you here, viewers. You can send me messages through live chat also. It's great you to be here. It is IGCSE 0580 question paper 21 October-November 2024. Paper 2-1, it's one of the question asks us to solve simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equation solution is a very, very basic thing for grade 10 students to solve simultaneous equations. So let us begin with that. So today also, this live stream goes in English language. So suddenly as I started, otherwise yesterday, I had a live stream in Urdu language also. So that could motivate people from Pakistan, India, and wherever in the world they can understand. Those who can understand Urdu is better for them. They can watch my yesterday's live stream. So many questions have been solved there also. Solve the simultaneous equations, right? Solve the simultaneous equations. So with simultaneous equations, and it is stated that you must show all your working. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. This is IGCSE 0580. The channel name is @MBSZ1 Mathematics Plus by Sir Zakir. So I'm Mohammad Zakir speaking. 5x plus 6y is equal to 9. 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 19. Having the experience of teaching to Pakistani curriculum and Cambridge curriculum, together the working experience extends over 2 decades. So see that this is 5x plus 6y is equal to 9. 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 17. X and y, two unknowns. So two unknowns, two equations together. These are called simultaneous equations. We have to solve the simultaneous equations, means that we have to find the value of x and y. We welcome you here on this live stream. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. I can, for reminding, I can write here subscribe. Okay, and I can write as well share, like, comment. So that's the reminder for my viewers. This channel is presenting mathematics content. So let's begin discussing this question. This question is actually a simultaneous equations question. How can we solve it? We can solve this by elimination method, substitution method, matrix, using matrices, Cramer's rule, echelon method, reduced echelon method. So we may have 6 method or 7 method. The graphical method, we plot the graph of both these lines. These are linear equations and their graph is straight line. When we draw 2 straight lines whose equations are given, we will get them their point of intersection. So point of intersection is actually called the solution. So we are ready to work on this. It is stated that show all your working. So we can show all our working, and at the same time I need to see that how many of you are watching currently, or in total to this video when we will get it done by the end of the live stream. So I hope that we come up with more views today. So please, for that, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, share this video as well, so more views can watch it. Which method should we use? We can use elimination method. For elimination method, we have to make y or x the subject, right? We have to find the value of that first. So if you're afraid of that, we can add or subtract these 2 equations. So we can add or subtract just to eliminate one of the variable, one of the unknown. When that will be eliminated, the equation of other will be calculated, known. Okay, so here we choose y to eliminate. We choose to eliminate y, right? So let's for that we have to multiply. We name these equations 1, and this we can name later on 2, but first we multiply this equation by 3. Why do we multiply by 3? Because we want to equalize coefficient of y. So we multiply it by 3. 3 3 is 9x. Second equation is being multiplied. 3 2 6y is equal to, it is multiplied by 3, right? 17 3s are 51. So this becomes 2. 1 was given and is in its original form. Equation 1 is in its form. Second equation has been multiplied by 3 in order to equate the coefficient. Now you can see 1 and 2 equations, right? So both have 6y. So 6y can be eliminated, means y can be eliminated, right? If we eliminate y, we will have x only, and we can find its value. So to eliminate y, we select addition or subtraction. So we can see that 6y in one equation is positive and the other equation is negative, means when we add them, they will get cancelled with the similar signs. With the signs they have already with them, right? So that is why when they have opposite signs, we add. add 1 and 2. So by adding, one equation is 5x plus 6y is equal to 9, right? The other equation is 9x minus 6y is equal to minus 51. We are adding because we know that y will get eliminated upon addition. So these two cancelled. 6y cancel 6y because one is positive, the other is negative. 9 plus y, 15x. And on the other side, 51 and 9 subtraction will give us 42. So we divide both sides by 15 then. 42 by 15 is done. 15 cancels 15. X is equal to, with the table of 3, 14 3's and 5 3's. So 14 by 5 is the value. The reminder for you viewers that you subscribe to this channel, share this video, comment on using live chat, and you can like it as well so that its reach should increase and more viewers can watch it. This is simultaneous equations. Question taken from past papers of IGCSE 0580 October-November 2024 paper 21. So it is a question selected from that, it is being solved. Thank you so much for being part of this live stream. It is solely dedicated to you, to my viewers, and they can enjoy, they can understand, they can ponder on this mathematical content and the concepts being explained. So simultaneous equation first we are solving, right? We are not done yet. So we substitute this in any of the two equations. So we can substitute in 1 or 2. So we have to, usually we select an easy equation which can give us the value easily. We put this and that, but here both equations are of same kind, so we substitute in 1, right? None of them can give us more easily. Both show same kind of working. So look, we substitute x value minus 14 by 5. So what is it? The first equation we are writing 5x plus 6y is equal to 9. This is equation 1 I have written, and I have to replace x by its value, and x value is 14 by 5. This 5 cancels this 5 and minus 14 here, plus 6y is equal to 9. We can easily send this 14 on the other side, which is added there. 14 and 9 make what? 23. They make 23. And now we divide both sides by 23 by 6 will be just that the same number, because 23 is a prime number, is not divisible by any of the tables. So no more simplification. The two values of x and y have been calculated. Okay, these kind of slightly odd form of values, but anyway, the equations, the type of equations, those were given. We don't have any control over them because these were given. So the equations given are satisfied by these two values of x and y. We can verify it also if we substitute values in equation 1. If I put minus 14 by 5 in place of x, 5 cancels 5, so minus 14 plus 6, and to 23 by 6, 6 cancels 6, so that becomes minus 14 plus 23, 9 equal to 9. So it is satisfying equation 1. It means this is the solution. So reminder for you, my viewers, that subscribe, share, like, comment, use live chat as well. There are 10 viewers watching this. Welcome you all here on this live stream. Thank you so much. This is 0580 IGCSE Mathematics Cambridge Assessment International Cambridge Curriculum. Those questions have been solved from past papers, and this is October-November 2024 QP21, and its question related to simultaneous equation is being solved. We welcome you all here. Please hit the like button. When you all will hit the like button, there will be more likes today. So thank you that you are here and you're part of this live stream. We welcome you, and we insist you to hit the like button as well, right, in order to give us the reward, because this channel has been presenting this mathematics content for last 5 years. So a small reward can be, you can spare that for us, you can grant that to us, and to keep the motivation alive, to keep the enthusiasm alive. So more likes, make the video spread around, more viewers can watch it. Now we have another question, and this is related to sequence. So let us begin pondering on that. So viewers, this is the reminder that you have to subscribe, you have to like, you have to share, and you have to comment. So if you love mathematics, you would definitely do this. And that is why you are here. That is why you watch this live stream. So we appreciate your presence and participation. Here is the sequence related question. What is that? A sequence has nth term 3n square minus 1, right? This is nth term is given. Find the second term in the sequence, okay? Find the second term. And the sequence. So second term of the sequence is easy to find. Just we need to, in nth term, we need to substitute 2 and we will have nth term. Hit the like button, viewers. When you are here, don't go without hitting like button, because when you go, some other should come back on the channel. So you're a great person who is watching mathematics content. Subscribe to this channel as well. We need more subscribers and more likes and more support from you, and you are generous enough to give that support. Thank you. Here it is, we need second term, right? Second term means t2. Second term is required, that can be denoted by t2, and we just need to put 2 in the general term. So t2, the second term, is 2 squared 4. 3 multiplied by 4 minus 1. What will that be? 12 minus 1, 11. So second term of this sequence is 11. This is answer. Definitely you will like it. And there is another a kind of a challenge as well. So when you choose to solve mathematics, you have to face challenges also, right? It's not every time piece of a cake, a simple concept, but when you keep working on it, more things become fall in your domain, and you can solve them easily. You can crack them easily. The table shows first 5 terms of sequence A and B. So we have sequence A, right? Sequence A is minus 6, minus 2, 2, 6, 10, and we need its nth term, right? Nth term is needed. So how will you find nth term is required? Now what? How will we work on it? We have to work on the sequence first. We need to identify that what kind of the sequence is that. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. This is your channel, okay viewers? When it is your channel, then you care about it. You need to spread it around. Your channel must have more views, more likes, more subscriptions. So it's your channel, so hit the like button. Thank you. Look at it. Nth term is needed, but first we need to identify this sequence, what kind of the sequence it is. Can we identify what is it? The difference between these two is 4. Do you know that 4? How is it? Minus 2 minus minus 6. When you do this, then it will become minus 2 plus 6. That will become 4. And third term minus second term is what? 2 minus minus 2. When you write 2 minus sign and you face 2 minus sign, they will become plus. So 2 plus 2 becomes 4. And here it is easy to see that 6 minus 2 is 4. And here it is easy to see how 10 minus 6 is 4. So it is first difference. We can observe here that first difference is 4 and is common. First difference is common means appears again and again in consecutive terms. So when first difference is common, then it is. So it is a linear sequence. it is a linear sequence, and linear sequence has nth term formula. This common first difference can also be denoted by D, and first term is denoted by A. So this is A. Remember that. I need to circle them both. This is A, right? This is A, and we have D, the common difference, and the first term of the sequence, and they both, with application of the formula, give us the nth term. Thank you so much, viewers, that you are here. I appreciate your presence and your support. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. Don't go without liking and without subscribing. Don't go back, because few viewers are here. So when they hit the like button, they subscribe, so more viewers come to the channel. See that as first difference is common, so it is linear sequence, and linear sequence we can find the nth term of the linear sequence like t, and nth term has formula a plus n minus 1d. Okay, it is also called arithmetic sequence when you write and Google also arithmetic sequence, that will give you the formula of nth term. This is the formula. You can learn this by heart, or you may find it in the formula sheet provided, but you can't find every formula in the formula sheet, so it is better if you keep them in your mind also. By practicing them again and again, you can learn this by heart. It can use this as first difference common. We can find the difference. First difference common tells us that it's a linear sequence. When it is a linear sequence, this formula can be applied to find its nth term. So let us substitute values. Dn is equal to a is the first term, which is minus 6, n minus 1 d. What is d? D is for common difference, right? Now we have to simplify this. It is minus 6. 4 multiplied by n is 4, and 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, but two signs are there. Look, these two signs are with 4 and 1. So plus minus minus will appear. Okay, I hope you can understand. So 4n can be written first, and minus 6 minus 4 will be minus 10. So this is nth term. This is nth term of the sequence. So here I need to remind you that, viewers, you have to do this. You have to do this, okay? You have to subscribe, like, share, comment. So all this is the reward you can give us. Thank you so much for being part of this live stream. It is IGCSE 0580 past paper solution, and more likes can get our video shown to more people. This is a sequence which we have worked on. This is linear sequence because first difference is common. When it is linear sequence, then this is the formula of nth term. You can see that the formula is highlighted, okay, with the green color. Formula is highlighted. This formula works, and we substitute values of a, which is first term of the given sequence, right? The sequence was given, first term minus 6, and d is the common difference, that is 4. So common difference, and please hit the like button. More viewers are here now, so please hit the like button. So this is a small support or a big support from your side. Thank you. We welcome you here. Tn is the formula of nth term, and by substituting values, so a is the first term, which is minus 6, n remains n for the general term, n minus 1, and d, the common difference, is 4. So these are substituted, simplified, and we get the value. Subscribe to this channel, hit the like button so that it can be appearing before more people, more viewers can watch it. We welcome you here. You are all great audience who love mathematics and are here to watch this mathematics content. So hit the like button, because more subscribers are needed, and more views are needed, and more watch time is needed, and you are there generous to give us all that. So this is 0580 past paper solution, okay? 0580 question paper 21 October November 2024, that is being solved. Here we have another sequence, and this sequence slightly scares slightly. Why square? Scares, okay? Not square. It's scare. Because this needs a lot of working. So look, the sequence B is. So it scares that much that I forgot the spellings of sequence. So sequence is this, right? Let's get it back. This is B sequence, the second which we are working on. Second sequence, it is 3, 17, 55, 129, 251. So look at it. It looks strange. Okay. We've identified what kind of the sequence it is. For that, we find its difference. 17 minus 3 is what? 14. And the difference between them is what? 55 minus 17. What will that be? 8. 15 minus 7, 8. And 4 minus 38 is the difference, right? And the difference between these two, 9 minus 5 is 4, right? 9 minus 5 is 4, 12 minus 5 is 7, 74. So this is what? What's the difference? And 11 minus 9, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 122 is here. Okay. This is first difference. First difference. Now we move to first difference is not common. So we find second difference, right? What is second difference? The difference are these two. 38 minus 14 is what? 24. So this is the difference here. And difference between them is what? 14 minus 8 is 6 and 6 minus 3. So this is 36. What is the difference here? 12 minus 4 is 8 and this is 11. 48 is here. Okay, this is what? Second difference. Still not common. Okay, second difference is not common. So when the second difference is also not common, we will find another difference. And what is that? The difference between them is 12, them is 12. So this is third difference. We can see that third difference is 12, 12. Means third difference is common, right? Third difference is common, so it is cubic sequence. This is cubic sequence and we have to find its nth term. Thank you so much, viewers, that you are here. You are part of this live stream. We welcome you here on this live stream, on this explanation, in this explanation of IGCSE 0580 Mathematics Past Paper Solution QP 21 October November 2024. So it's question now based on sequence. One sequence we earlier handled, and that sequence is linear sequence. Okay, thank you so much for subscribing. As you subscribed, I can see the subscription. Thank you so much. You're so generous to give me a subscribe, and another thing that you like the video, that is also your greatness. And look, we are solving working on sequence IGCSE 0580 past paper solution. It is October November 2024 QP 21. So it's a question, which question we are solving? It's related to sequence, and this kind of a very strange sequence is given. And why this is so strange? Because we found first difference 14, 38, 74, 122 not common. We went to second difference 24, 36, 48 still not same. Second difference is done, no clue what kind of the sequence is it, maybe cubic sequence. So we find third difference. Third difference is 36 minus 24, that is 12. 48 minus 36 is 12. Third difference means seems common, right? 12 appearing again and again. It means third difference is common, means that this allows us to conclude about the sequence that it is cubic sequence. Now the next thing is that we have to find its nth term, right? So we need a, b, c, d, an cube plus bn square plus cn plus d. Four unknowns we have to find, four coefficients. So because the formula which we are going to use is this nth term of nth term formula is here. Let me write over here that nth term formula. Nth term formula is nth term formula is Tn is equal to a n cube plus b n square plus c n plus d. So we need all these a, b, c, d. How will we find? Hit the like button, viewers. Don't go back without hitting like button. Thank you for giving a reward, because this appeal, this request matters a lot and produces the fruit also. I requested that subscribe to this and somebody subscribed. More subscribers come to this channel now this month. Thank you so much for supporting, for your cooperation, for your support, for your appreciation, for your kind behavior that you support this small channel. But with the help of your support and with with the permission of the creator, one day it will have trillion views. So look, some people can say it's a madness, this small channel producing this mathematics content. Okay, well, make trillion views. Yeah, it will make. My hope is sky high, and the effort of presentation, that math content, is also not sky high, but the height is closer to clouds. Okay, so hopeful, motivated, devoted, committed, because 5 years, it's been 5 years that this channel is presenting this content, and that gives me pleasure. By the way, let me tell you that presenting math content gives me pleasure, right? Pleasure, the ultimate pleasure I find by solving questions, by presenting them, right, to somebody who can evaluate, somebody who can watch, who can engulf, who can understand, who can ponder on it, who can learn the concept, who can value this content, and who can understand that real value of this content is that it gives you the goggles, right? Goggles. It gives you telescope, microscope. It gives you to see through limitlessly through distances of the universe, of the creator of this, through the galaxies, away in dark distances of the universe. It allows you to watch that, to unfold the real truth of humanity and the creation, and the you can explore something and can obtain an approach to reach to the creator also, because there is a creator who exists. There are many proofs for creator to exist, because the whatever that any the simplest argument that any smallest smallest artificial thing, from toy to biggest artificial thing, maybe a ship, maybe a satellite, maybe something that bigger somebody has produced. No one can say that it is coincidentally came in existence. So how this whole universe came into existence coincidentally? So I go against that coincidence creation of the universe coincidentally, and the Big Bang only itself, and the God particle, and something happening million, trillion, billion years ago itself, something itself was triggered to shape up things like this. So I don't believe in that kind of the false argument. So when you can't say that even the smallest thing which is artificially created is before you, if you're sitting in a room, if you're standing on a road, if you're anywhere observing something that is artificially created, and you say that You believe that somebody has created. So this whole big universe, that immense distances, the darkness, the light, the celestial bodies, the uncountable galaxies, the uncountable stars, planets, and other things. How can they come into existence without a creator? So the common sense doesn't like such false arguments anyway. Here we are working on this cubic sequence. So, cubic sequence. Why cubic? Because third difference is common, right? Third difference common, making us conclude that this is a cubic sequence. So, welcome to cubic sequence. Welcome to our channel. Welcome to mathematics. Welcome to truth, presentation of truth, presentation of reality. Welcome to a place where see through the universe, see through a telescope to the universe, the immense distances, the lighting up stars, dying stars, black holes, empty spaces of the universe, and filled with galaxies. See all that through the goggles of mathematics, and you will be able to understand that there is a creator. Because one biggest evidence, let me tell you, my viewers, that one biggest evidence that there is one creator is Fibonacci sequence. If you just go through what the Fibonacci sequence is, you know that human body and the construction around you and the make of the celestial bodies and what else, everything around you. Maybe the flowers, maybe the cyclone, maybe the tornado, the shape of the galaxies, the spread, the shape of the galaxies, and you know that in human body and anything around you, if you look, and it is explained immensely on the internet, also on some mathematical documentaries, also on YouTube, that Fibonacci sequence actually can be observed at many hundred and thousands of places. So when you see that, when you have the evidence of Fibonacci sequence, which is one golden ratio appearing in everything, in every creation, so that gives you a clue that there is one creator. We are working on cubic sequence, okay? So you're enjoying mathematics and the commentary by Mr. Zakir here, right? Not only the commentary, the explanation of these concepts, past papers, IGCSE, Cambridge Assessment International, and Cambridge Curriculum, past papers are being solved. This is October-November 2024. Paper 21 that is being solved and its concepts are being explained. This the sequence with the red color written on your screens. You can see that this is cubic sequence. Why cubic sequence? First we start working to identify this. Viewers, thank you that you are here. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. You can chat with us also through live chat. And this is the cubic sequence. Why we call it cubic sequence? We just try to identify from the beginning that we find the difference between terms 17 minus 3, that becomes 14. 55 minus 17, that becomes 38. 129 minus 55, that is 74. 251 minus 129, that is 122. This is called first difference and it is not common. So we don't come up with the any conclusion. We cannot conclude anything. So we find another difference. 38 minus 14, 24. 74 minus 38, 36. 22 minus 74 is 48. The second difference is calculated and still we are unable to find because no common value is observed or nothing. It is not observed that some second difference is common, so we cannot conclude anything. We find another difference between 36, 24, that is 12, 48, 36, that is 12. It seems that the third difference is common. Third difference common means we can conclude that this is evidence actually that this is a cubic sequence. Thank you so much that you are here watching this content being produced not from Pakistan, but from this channel basically established while being in Pakistan, now is presenting this content not from Pakistan, from abroad. So more of my viewers can be can be from Pakistan, can be from India, can be from other parts of the world. So my geography of the channel, geographic analytics of the channel show that more people watch in Pakistan, more people, and second count of the people watching from India and from UAE, from USA, and some people from other part of the country, other part of the world, they are watching. So thank you that you are here. You try to ponder and concentrate on these mathematics concepts. So we have to actually find these A, B, C, D. So what are A, B, C, D here? They are coefficients of nth term of the sequence. So how can we do this? So the first formula which we are going to use here is A plus B plus C plus D is equal to the first term, right? So first is A plus B plus C plus D equal to first term. First term is 3. This is the first formula which we are using, okay? So moving to the second formula with the different color. Second formula is 8A plus 4B, okay? 8A plus 4B plus 2C plus D is equal to 17, okay? Second is also done. And third formula is 27A 9B 3C plus D is equal to 55. Okay, this is the formula, third formula, and we will have a fourth formula also. What is that fourth formula? 64. It is 64A plus 16B plus 4C plus D is equal to 129. Okay, it is A, B, C, D. Where are A, B, C, D? In all these four formulas, we have A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, everywhere A, B, C, D. Okay, so A, B, C, D is everywhere. So this becomes really, really challenging to solve. How many equations? 4 equations for unknown. How will you do that? How will you do that? So that can be a challenge. So let us face that challenge. Okay. So if we solve, right, we have to solve this by what? By which method? We have to solve these linear equations, and by solving all of them, we get the value. Okay, so let us try to solve. The best method to solve it is echelon form. Okay, for unknowns, echelon form is the best method to solve. So how can I present that echelon form here? Okay, we solve 1 and 2. How can we solve 1 and 2? Look, so this can be a very challenging question. So add 1 and 2, right? I name it 1, this 2, this 3, and this 4. So these are 4 equations we have in 4 unknowns. So let us try to solve. If we subtract second from first, D gets eliminated, okay? D gets eliminated. So 1 and 2, I need to remove this line from here so that we can work here. Subtract 2 from 1, okay? Subtract 2 from 1. What will that give? A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 3. And 8A plus 4B plus 2C plus D is equal to 17. And by subtraction, as we are subtracting, subtraction, right, changes signs, because this eliminates This eliminates D. So what will we have? Minus 7a, minus 3b, minus c is equal to minus 14. Okay. So if we take minus sign from left side common, so all will become positive. 7a, 3b plus c, and that minus sign cancels with the other side with the minus sign with 14, so that will also get cancelled. So see that this is another equation we found, and what can we name this equation? Like 5. This equation is 5. Okay. Can we eliminate? Now we solve. First we have subtracted, okay? So now we can subtract 3, 4. Subtraction of 3, 4 leads us where? Subtract 4 from 3. Subtract 4 from 3. So I write 3 again. 27a, 9b, 3c, d is equal to 55. 64a, 16b, 4c, d is equal to 129, and we subtract. Minus, 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 minus. Subtraction. Okay. 64 minus 29 is what? 7 and 3, 37a, right? With minus sign. And here 9, 7, 16, 7b is here. Minus c here. Okay. So d is cancelled here again. And on the other side we have 9 minus 5 is 4, okay. 12 minus 5 is 7, 74. Now you can see that it can be a challenging question where many questions, and we have to solve them simultaneously. See that if we now we can do what? Now we can do what can we do? We can name it 6. Okay, we have 5, 6 also. 4 has been used. 5, 6. 5, 6 if are added. If we add 5, 6, what do we get? We get C eliminated, okay? C eliminated. If we add 5 and 6, add 5 and 6. So by adding 5 and 6, what we have? 5 is 7a, 3b plus c is equal to 14, and 6 is minus 37a minus 7b minus c is equal to minus 74. And what is it? We are adding, c cancelled. So then 37 and c, they will make 30a, right? And they will make what? What will they make? What will they make? Minus 4b. Here minus 60. Okay, we divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. That gives us what? Thank you, viewers, that you are here watching this live stream. Dividing by minus 2 actually will do better. Minus 2 will make it 15a. Will make it 2b. Will make it, dividing by 2 will make it 30. And this is equation 7. So now I made the combination of 1, 2 and 3, 4, right? See from here. See from the highlighted, okay? What I have done? I solved 1, 2 and I solved 3, 4. What can I do now? And then I solved 5, 6. Now I make another combination. I make combination of 1, 3 and 2, 4. Okay. There is another combination that 1, 3 and 2, 4 equations we have before us. So we can 1, 3, right? 1, 2 have been solved. 1, 3 now. Subtract subtract 3 from 1. We are actually repeating this all with new combination. And new combination is what? New combination. Earlier we made 1, 2 and 3, 4 combination. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Now we are making 1, 3 and 2, 4 combination. Okay, 1, 3 and 2, 4. So what will that give? Thank you so much for being part of this live stream. Actually, the number of counts of people watching doesn't go higher when you like this video and share it. More viewers come on the channel, and that gives the slight more benefit. So your cooperation is highly valued. Your presence, your participation, and this live stream is greatly valued. Thank you so much. So earlier we solved 1, 2. Now we solve 1, 3. Right? Subtract 1, 3. So 1 is A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 3. And 3 is 27A, 9B, 3C plus D is equal to 55. And we subtract. Subtraction is done by changing the signs of the second equation. And we can see D cancelled. When D is cancelled, then what we have? Minus 26A minus 8b minus 2c is equal to what? Is equal to minus 52 here. Okay. So it can be divided by 2. Divide both sides to keep things simple, right? Divide both sides by minus 2. So we divide both sides by minus 2. And by dividing by minus 2, we'll make it 13a. This 4b, this c, and this dividing by minus 2 will make it 26. And we name this equation as already we have what, 7 equations before this. This is 8th. 8th equation is here. We welcome you here, viewers. You are a great person watching this great content. So please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much that you are here. Earlier we solved 1, 2. Now we solved 1, 3. Earlier we solved 3, 4. Now we solve 2, 4. Subtract 4 from 2. So what is 4 and what is 2? 2 equation you can see is, where is 2? 2 is 8a, 4b, 2c, d is equal to 17. And thank you that you liked it. Thank you so much. And we have next 2 and 4 are in combination now, right? 4th equation you can see written with purple color, right? 3rd highlighted line you can see, and above that or just before that it is 64a, 16b, 4c plus d is equal to 129, and we are subtracting. Okay, subtraction is done by changing signs. So we have almost found the way through which we can reach to these values a, b, c, d. D is cancelled. This is what? 56a. What is it? 12b. What is it? 2c. And on the other side, 9 minus 7 is 2, right? 9 minus 7, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2 is there. And divisible by, divide, it will be minus sign, right? Minus sign will also be that. What we do, divide both sides by minus 2. If we do the division, then this will be 28. 28a plus 6b plus dividing by 2 will make it c. Dividing by 2 will make it 112 divided by 2 is 56. Okay, so this is equation number 9. So equation number 9 we found. Now we solve 8, 9. Now we solve 8, 9. Okay. What will we do by solving 8, 9? Actually, viewers, look, this is cubic sequence we have, right? So cubic sequence has another term formula, this highlighted with pink color. Highlighted with pink color is the formula for cubic sequence nth term. Okay, it needs A, B, C, D, four unknowns. So those four unknowns can be calculated like this. We have these formulas. So formulas should also be highlighted like what? Orange color? Yes. Orange color are formulas. Orange color highlighted are formulas. One has to remember those formulas, or the formula sheet will be provided. So these formulas can be utilized. Actually, when you have these formulas, then you stuck in solving, because very time taking to solve all these equations. 1 2 3 4, right? 1 2 3 4. So there are formulas are what? 1 2. This is second is here, that has been ignored. Okay, these are actually four formulas which can enable us to find coefficients of nth term of a cubic sequence. So first we identified it as a cubic sequence, and then we use these four formulas. Four formulas are written in and highlighted. These formulas are highlighted with orange color. So orange color formulas are utilized to find the coefficients of nth term. Nth term is highlighted with the purple color. And we are solving these four equations. First we made combination of 1 2 and 3 4. We solved 1 2 and 3 4, and we got equation 5 and 6, and we solved 5 6 to get equation 7. Now we solved 1 3, the other combination. Okay, instead of 1 2 we made the combination 1 3. We solved 1 3 and 2 4. Okay, so we got equation 8 9, and from 8 9 we will get another. From 8 9 we can eliminate C. We can eliminate C. How can we eliminate? We are going to subtract 9 from 8. Subtract equation 9 from equation 8. So equation 8 minus equation 9 will give us what? Equation 8 is this: 13a 4b plus c is equal to 26, and equation 9 is 28a 6b. Usually IGCSE 0580 mathematics students, hardly you can find any student who is capable of learning this formula. You can hardly find any student, because students have less attention span now, so they cannot sit for a long time to solve this question. This question has this solution, and it is time taking question. So how will we subtract it? Look, subtraction is done by changing signs. That eliminates C. Okay, eliminating C will take us to 28 minus 13 is 15a with minus sign, and this will give us 2b, and 56 26 make what? 30. Yes, 30, and we divide that by 2. Divide both sides by minus 2 actually. So dividing by minus 2 cannot be done. Okay, because one odd number is also there, so we cannot divide, we cannot simplify it. And this is the equation which we have found now. What is it? With minus 30, the last equation you can see on your screens. What is it happening now? Okay, so the last equation you can see on your screen. This equation actually can be solved with equation number. This equation name is what? This equation name is 10. 10 can be solved with 7. 7 and 10, two equations. Can you see that 7 and 10 can be highlighted with what? With which color should I highlight? With blue color, with yellow color. Okay, I'm highlighting with yellow color to these two, because they are of high value now, because they will give us AB. And when A, B are calculated, then all unknowns are calculated. So how can we just add and 2b, can you see 2b and equation 7, 2b and equation 10 both have opposite signs, so opposite sign values get cancelled, get eliminated. Hit the like button, viewers. Thank you so much that you are here. This is IGCSE 0580 QP 21 October November 2024. Paper question is being solved, so your presence here is highly valued. Please hit the like button. Don't forget to do that, because this will enable channel to reach to more audience. Thank you. Your presence is highly valued. We are adding 7 and 10, okay, to get value of either A or B. Obviously, value of A will be there. Add 7 and 10 by adding, look, 1 is 15A. That is close end. You know that. We reach to a close end. What is that close end? The close end is that we reach to the same conclusion. We reach to the same conclusion. And what that same conclusion? Same equation with the different sign we found as in 7. So this is not going to give us any value. This is not going to give us any value. Okay, so we are stuck here. Right? Now we need to look at equation 8. Equation 8 can be solved with 5, and equation 9 can be solved with 6. And we can get 2 new equations by eliminating C. Yes, that can be a better option. So instead of solving 8, 9, I have to reverse this last 4 lines. Okay, I have to reverse last 4 lines. We identify that we reach to a closed end here, because we have found the same equation which the equation 7 is. So same equation cannot give us any solution. So we need to figure out it differently. How? Now 8 can be solved with 5 and 9 can be solved with 6. Okay, let us do. Subtract in order to eliminate C. Subtract 5 from 8. 5 from 8. So this is 13A. 4B plus C is equal to 26 is what? This is 8. And 5 is 7A. 3B plus C is equal to 14. And subtraction will eliminate C, okay? Subtraction eliminates C. C is eliminated. What is it? 13 minus 7 is 6A. This is B. Is equal to, this is 12. Right, it is done. This we can name 10. Okay. And 9 and 6 can be solved. Addition. Add 9 and 6. Why adding? Because they both have opposite signs of C. That is why. So 37. I write equation 6 first. 37A, 7B, C, 74. Okay, and equation 9, 28A, 6B, C is equal to 56. And we can see C getting eliminated. 37, 27 gives what? 9. 9A minus sign, and minus B is equal to what is here? What is here? The difference of these two. 8, 1, 8, 18 minus sign. Okay. So now we reach to that situation where we can find A and B, right? 74, 14 minus 6 is 8 and 6 minus 5. Okay, now this is 11. Equation 11. What are we going to do? We can subtract 11 from 10. Can we do? How? 6a minus b is equal to 12. Minus 9a minus b is equal to minus 18. Subtraction will eliminate b. Okay, subtraction, right? Subtraction is being done. These two are eliminated. And 9 and 6 are added, make 15a. And here 18 and 2, 18 and 12 can make 30. Divide both sides by 15 gives us a is equal to 2. We substitute this in any of these two, in 11 for example, in 10. So if we substitute in 10, what is 10? 10 is 6a, a is 2, minus b is equal to 12. Look, 12 minus b is equal to 12. Means that 12 cancels 12. So b is 0. B is calculated. AB are found. So AB can be substituted. AB can be substituted in any of those two equations. For example, 8, 9. Put A and B in equation 8. So look at it. 13a, a is 2, plus 4b, b is 0, plus c is equal to 26. Or we can substitute this in 7 equation. Equation 7, AB. Okay, equation 7, if we put AB both are known, so that doesn't mean anything. So here it will be what? 13 2 is 26. This 26 cancel this 26. C is equal to 0. B and C both are 0. Okay. So what? A, B, C all are calculated. So we can use the initial equation now first, where it is written A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 3. So what is A? 2. What is B? 0. What is C? 0. What is D? So D will be 1. D is equal to 2 is subtracted on the other side 1. So all A, B, C, D are found, and Tn will be written now. Tn is equal to an cube plus bn square plus cn plus d. So all these we have. A is 2n cube, plus b is 0n square, plus c is 0n, plus d is 1. So Tn is equal to 2n cube plus 1. Okay, so nth term is calculated. So this is slightly a bigger question, right? It's a very, very big question. And you can see that this hectic working has been done on it to calculate. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. This is cubic sequence whose equations we have solved. Can you see that equations highlighted with orange color? These are actually created by formula. So A plus B plus C is equal to 3 means the first term, first term of the sequence. Then 8A plus 4B plus 2C plus D is equal to 17. 17 means second term, okay? So 27A plus 9B plus 3C plus D is equal to 55 is third term. And fourth term formula is 64A plus 16B plus 4C plus D is equal to 129. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equations highlighted with orange color. They are solved. You know that extensive working on them, and they have been solved to get values of A, B, C, D, and finally we could find the nth term of the sequence. And this nth term of the sequence is 2n cube plus 1. So look, the nth term of this sequence, now as we have calculated, it is, now we can check it here, 2n cube plus 1. Okay, if we put 1 in it, 1 cube is 1, 2 1s 1, plus 1 3. First term is calculated of the sequence. Please hit the like button, viewers. Thank you so much. If we put 2 in this nth term, 2 cube is 8, 8 twos are 16, plus 1 17. So second term is found. If we put 3 in it, 3 cube 27, 27 twos, 27 multiplied by 2 54, 54 plus 1 55. So third term is calculated with it. So this is nth term, definitely nth term of this sequence. If we put 4, what is it? 4 cube 64, 64 twos 128, 128 plus 1 129. So this is a perfect solution of the cubic sequence, but you need to be a genius to understand it and to master it. Okay, if you can master it, you are a genius, because for a 10th grade student, working that extensive is nearly impossible. Why is it am I saying impossible? Because the attention span has reduced and the capacity to sit and work patiently has also reduced. So that is why. You can come, sir. Because it has few viewers, so I can end this live stream and can begin another.